Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Techlearn Factory YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to solve this message while using Conda. So, if I write here Conda, I will find this error message. Now I will go to search section and now write anaconda. When we will write anaconda here, we will find anaconda navigator. We will go to open file location, then we will find this interface. Now right click here and open file location, select. Now we will find lots of file and folder here. Now we will go to Conda bin folder, double click here. We will copy the path, then we will minimize everything. Now we will go to our environment variable, write environment variable here. We will find this edit system environment variable. We will click here. Now we will find this interface. So we will click environment variable. Now we will go to the path section here, double click here. Now we will select here and paste the path here. Now we will click OK here. We will click OK here. Now we will go to Visual Studio Code and we will close the Visual Studio. So we close the Visual Studio and now we will go to search and write Visual Studio. So we will open Visual Studio again. Now we will clear everything. Now if we write Conda -v, we will find Conda version. So we see that how to solve Conda related problem. Now we solve that previous error message. So like us and stay tuned with us. We will meet another video very soon. Thank you.